Hi, I'm Riley. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato mochi. The ingredients you will need are 1 cup of sweet potato, 2/3 cup mochi dough, 1/3 cup sugar, as well as 4 large tea leaves, butcher's twine, and oil. Before you start cooking, you need to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. For this recipe, we also need to wash the sweet potatoes. To do this, rinse the sweet potatoes in cool running water, then scrub, focusing on any visibly dirty areas as well as the eyes. Don't use dish soap or other cleaners. There may be residue left over. Heat for however many sweet potatoes you plan to use. Make sure to choose sweet potatoes with a firm texture and smooth, unwrinkled skin, and not ones with soft spots, dark brown discoloration, or visible sprouts. Next is the tea leaves. It's also very important to wash the tea leaves to ensure they are clean, as the mochi will be wrapped inside the leaves. Again, rinse under cold running water, scrubbing off any visibly dirty areas, and then placing it out to dry. Repeat for all 4 tea leaves. If you don't have tea leaves, you can also use foil as a substitute. Now we're ready to prepare the potatoes. Pour some water into a pot, like I have here, and place the sweet potatoes into the pot on a steamer basket. Cover, then boil on low heat for about half an hour, or until the sweet potatoes are soft enough to poke with a fork. While the sweet potatoes are steaming, we can prepare the tea leaves for wrapping. Use scissors to cut the tea leaves in about half, with a little bit of extra on the stem side if it's too hard to bend. You should end up with 8 pieces. After about half an hour, the sweet potatoes should be done. Once cooled, peel the sweet potatoes. To do this, use a knife to carefully cut off both ends, then make a shallow cut on both sides to make it easier to peel. You can find sweet potatoes at any local grocery store or farmer's market. They are high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and manganese. They are also a good source of copper, dietary fiber, vitamin B6, potassium, and iron. Sweet potatoes are known to improve blood sugar regulation and is most known for their high antioxidant levels, with 150% more antioxidants than blueberries. Next, place the sweet potatoes in a bowl and mash with the potato masher or other device, estimating to about 1 cup. Fill a 1 cup measuring cup to the top with the mashed sweet potato, packing it in tightly. A little more or less is okay. Add in 2/3 cup of mochi dough. The mochi dough helps the sweet potato become mochi. Make sure your measurement is accurate by filling the measuring cup a little over the top, then removing the excess with a flat surface. Then, add 1/3 cup sugar for sweetness. Again, fill a little over the top and remove the excess with a flat surface. If you wanted to, you could omit the sugar completely, but I prefer having my mochi be a little sweeter. Mix until all ingredients are combined. It should be easy to handle, but still able to stick together. Now it's time to wrap your mochi. You'll need your sweet potato mixture, tea leaves, oil, and butcher's twine cut to about this length. Take 1/2 of a tea leaf, shiny side down, and brush the surface of the leaf with a little bit of oil. This ensures the mochi doesn't stick to the leaf after cooking. Using about 1/8 of the mixture, form a small elongated ball so that it fits on the tea leaf. Yokinau sweet potato is considered to be a superfood, which means they have many nutrients while also being low in calories. Enclose the ball in the tea leaf, closing the side before tying to make sure it fits, then tightly knot both sides with the twine, ensuring the mochi is completely covered and not sticking out. Repeat for the rest of your mixture. Once completed, place the wraps back into the pot. Cut off any excess tea leaf off the sides. Tea leaves help add moisture to the mochi. Steam for about 30 minutes. Once they're done, cut off the strings and open the tea leaves. Then you'll be able to eat the sweet mochi inside.
It's chewy and it's sweet, and with only 3 ingredients.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe.